Welcome to this brief tutorial on the new Full Text Finder Resolver user interface updates. EBSCO has released a new and improved user interface for the Full Text Finder link resolver. The new interface aligns to the look and feel of our other updated interfaces, as well as including new features such as enhanced metadata display on the menu, including all authors, as well as DOIs and PubMed IDs where applicable. We've also improved the iframe display when bypassing the resolver menu. In the new UI, the user will land on an interim page for a few seconds before being directed to the platform. Customization options for the new Full Text Finder Resolver user interface are available in the EBSCO Experience Manager platform. You'll see an option in the menu on the left-hand side for Full Text Finder. There are two key areas for configuring Full Text Finder here. That includes the branding. From the branding, you can also copy the base URL for the Full Text Finder Resolver to preview the new UI and any changes you publish. Customization options in EBSCO Experience Manager include updating the branding, such as the color scheme, and uploading a logo. You can also adjust some settings, including whether your user lands on the Full Text Finder Resolver menu or bypasses it and goes directly to the first full text result. To set this, you can go to Custom and toggle the setting to On. You can also adjust things like your coverage display, whether you choose to display your embargo information, and the updating of labels such as the product name, the heading for resources located for this citation, and the revised request link label. You can also choose if the guest access banner will display to unauthenticated users, and you can adjust the banner text. Any changes that you make in EBSCO Experience Manager, click on Publish to apply them. For further information and guidance regarding the new Full Text Finder link resolver user interface, I recommend visiting our EBSCO Connect site and reviewing the new Full Text Finder FAQ guide. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, please reach out to the Oceania training team at oceaniatraining@ebsco.com.